If you create any kind of content, this one is a serious must-have. So the Ace 25C, it's basically like the Swiss Army knife of pocket-sized RGB lights, but unlike most creator lights, this one is actually powerful enough to use professionally. You get adjustable color temperature, full RGB control, strong output for its size, like I just mentioned. You do have magnetic mounting options if you just wanna attach it to something. It's got pretty solid battery life, plus it's built pretty ruggedly that it can handle everyday use and even the occasional outdoor shoots. I tell you guys, definitely use this thing constantly. And surprisingly enough, it's also saved me during a few power outages, just being right there and being so powerful to light the place up. A ton of different applications, whether you're shooting a quick product clip, trying to enhance your desk setup, or even just adding some atmosphere to your home, background, or at a party or something. And it does it all without really much bulk. I use a ton of Amaran lights professionally, and the Ace 25C is one I do find myself reaching for to light a lot of the product shots.